got the same style. So it's like
Perfect pose. What in the fuck is that? Echo. No.
All the stuff that's been cut. This is like wire from last time. Look. It's like soldered.
Yeah.
The strings and stuff that they left from last time. That thing is blinding me, bro. Me. Little Tweety birds. Tweet. They're just like, I'm hungry.
I wonder if they'd.
They'd probably bite your finger first if I wreck into them. Like, I want to fucking just.
I don't think it even matters.
I don't think they do either. I want to just haul ass straight down that thing, go in the door, and then go back up the hallway if you could. That would be sick.
Yeah.
Bro, you could probably open all these doors and just fucking in and out. That one guy got a fucking alarm. Dude, you could, bro!
Oh.
Oh, that one won't hold me.
The fuck is that?
Look, like the chimps do it.
Oh shit, dude.
Like the chimps do it. People be posted in this bitch.
You got scared, bro. You got scared. You got scared. Ooh.
What the what?
Some keys to the nuclear
Fume
power
hood.
plant.
That's how you get in, bro. We're making our way towards the, I bet we're getting close to the computer room. Oh, there's an underground for it. I didn't realize we walked that far back in there. Hopefully everybody ever gets a good Samaritan on robbing our throat.
Oh my god.
Dude, imagine how many people work here.
Almost had it, Joe.
Oh, so close. Look at that. Stuck. Hold on. Billy Hackett, best rescuer of drones. He just likes to climb.
Yeah, he only flies for us.
I know, what's his name over?
We're just sitting on the back picnic table dabbing it up last night. It was insane. They were like, you
Got nice out, dude.
come over here. That's pretty sick. I want to get that, behind that silo die, yeah. I'm thinking I'm going to try that next.
Coming out.
Only thing is they're too fast. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Wait for the camera, but I want your head in the shot. That's why I'm standing at a weird angle.
Not like you're ripping it.
Oh, he got it.
Not like you're ripping it in, you just shredding it up. Skydoc.
Dude, he was up in there.
That dude's up in there.
He was up in there,
Fuck
bro.
all that.
Evan's crazy rock climber motherfucker. Nice.
What up?
feels good. I bet you can still send it.
Billy Hackett to the rescue.
Now you gotta rip a pack in it.
Oh yeah.
We're not eating tacos rapid fire.
Oh, they served tacos last night. Great.
Oh, you don't talk about that here. Right? We
Plug
don't
it
talk
in.
about that?
Plug it in.
Plug it out.
I want to get the orbit. Self-orbit.
And this green man wants to orbit himself. Don't cut your suit, please. We don't want to see your green blood.
I'm getting blasted. I was telling people, like, finding the hole right here is hard sometimes for me because I'll overjudge it or whatever. You gotta go with
Merlin on it. Club car shit. Got my sticker on? No. Your sticker on.
Government saving us from ourselves. Right? We could laser you a dope fucking acrylic when you can put LEDs around, man, and this shit will really play. Pull that tape out. Hey, we got the right Alright, so crazy little kid my whole life. Wow. Come at this and hallelujah. What's up?
Sick.
So much fun. Did you already do it? Huh? No, but I will. It's not that elevated.
Oh no. No, he's like, I'm gonna take it slow. He's doing it. Oh boy.
No way. Oh,
No?
The lights now. Now he's perfect. Yeah, go behind.
That's only 3/4 of the way. It doesn't count.
Yeah, right.
Oh man, he's doing it.
Going back up's the hard part.
He's doing it. Oh. Little squirrely, we're getting.
Dude.
Yo. Oh, shit, he got squirrely at the end.
Yeah, dude, that was sick, bro.
I'll get a third. Hold on, I'm coming. I'm coming in.
Recording this, so I want to get as many high as possible.
Alright, I'll be on top.
Okay, I'm on top.
Oh.
Air mode.
Oh.
No! Oh no!
We get air mode.
Dan versus Ken.
I'm a 3-inch.
Who will win in the epic duel?
Still flying.
Wow, is it a tie? No, I never thought it would have been a tie, dude. Oh my God. No,
I think my camera angle got jacked when I hit that.
It's
In there, yeah.
it's a tie,
Are you too
dude.
high or too low?
Might be too high.
Yo, you can still take him out. You can still take him out somehow, maybe. Oh no! You are both down. It's a tie, dude.
It's a tie, dude.
Oh, dang!
Fucking actual fuck, really?
He tried to shell it. He's like, through the hole, bro.
Alright, you ready? Going for the third shell.
Oh, it landed on there, bro.
there forever.
That's easy.
Yeah, that's pretty much done.
For long ass.
Won't even blow down.
Fuck.
Oh, that is scary.
This is insane.
My heart like just.
No, it is. Yeah,
looking at
it's. I don't even like holding my phone over it.
I know,
'cause,
right?
Like, you're done, dude. You're.
Ready? Oh yeah, filming. Right.
Breathe it, breathe it, breathe it. You got a lot of room in here.
It's so hard, dude. Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, son.
Both one to the other. You got that so
Yes, dude. Oh, I hear it. Yes, dude. Yeah. Yes, dude. Yes,
so sick, bro.
dude.
That was so sick.
Insane. Like, like I wouldn't have done that.
Oh my god.
You ripping a second pack?
Oh, I don't know.
Dude,
Well, I want to be able to get there.
see, I have a feeling I know how to get to it if we needed to without climbing down. It's like that giant claw game in the arcade. Oh, yes. Yo, bring that back up, bro. Bring it right up. Bring it right up, dude. No, just bring it right up, you know? No, he should have brought it right up. Oh my god, here comes another one.
Smacking. Trip on your fucking rope ring, dude. Thank you,
Yo.
bro. Get the fuck out of here, bro. The fucking hero.
Yo.
You grew up on a ranch or something?
My god.
Pro pack? No, bro. Pro pack is the hero. going to TTG or whatever, and I'm like, damn it.
TTG doesn't. I don't even know what that means.
I don't either.
I don't know where TTG goes.
No, I thought I did.
Okay. Well, I guess I'm flying now.
Outside of the window.
Like, are you gonna? Can we go in that one? Yeah, you can go that. Okay. I might come in there. Okay. And once you get my shit out of here, or you were in there? Yeah.
I'm curious what to do.
Yeah, you could move those lights anywhere too. It's crazy all the dust you don't see with your eyes, and it's look at all that dust, bro. Oh my god.
Do whenever else.
Yeah, but it's just like you go up and there's like. Most likely 20 minutes. This way?
That way, you can stay away right there.
Don't get lost, don't get killed by walking sticks. Okay, one more. Okay. Like 45 minutes.
Wait, what?
Sump is
Yes, like a sump pump.
It's that area in there, I bet. How would you get
Nuclear life.
Does it look
I feel like it doesn't access the pit, right? 'Cause